Welcome to today's quick tutorial on how to remove an announcement group shortcut. If you've been wondering how to declutter your home screen or simply want to reorganize your shortcuts, you're in the right place. We've got an updated method that's super easy to follow, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to locate the announcement group shortcut on your device. It's usually represented by a small icon, often with a megaphone or speaker symbol. Take a moment to scan your home screen or app drawer. It shouldn't be too hard to spot. Once you've found the announcement group shortcut, here's where the magic happens. Instead of just tapping it like you normally would, we're going to use a different approach. Place your finger on the icon and hold it there. This is what we call a long press. Keep your finger in place for about a second or two until you feel a slight vibration or see a menu pop up. Now, you should see a few options appear on your screen. Among these options, you'll find one that says Remove. It might also be represented by a minus sign or a trash can icon, depending on your device. This is exactly what we're looking for. All that's left to do is tap on that Remove option. And just like that, the announcement group shortcut will disappear from your screen. It's that simple. Remember, removing the shortcut doesn't delete the announcement group itself. It just takes the quick access icon off your home screen. You can always add it back later if you change your mind. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the announcement group shortcut from your device. This little trick can help you keep your home screen tidy and organized, giving you quicker access to the apps and shortcuts you use most often. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.